This is going to hurt. James Webb Telescope just found a 400 million solar mass dormant black hole, and what scientists are now revealing is so enormous, so ancient, and so mind-bending that it stretches the limits of human comprehension, reshaping not just our understanding of the cosmos but also the way we perceive time, matter, and the dark engines that govern existence itself. But before we dive into the unfathomable, let's start with a 30-second hook designed to hold your attention for the entire video. Imagine a region in space so massive, so powerful, that it bends light itself, swallowing entire solar systems silently and invisibly, and yet for billions of years, it has been dormant, lurking in the darkness like a cosmic leviathan waiting to awaken. Now imagine the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye on the universe, gazing deep into the heart of a galaxy and revealing, for the very first time, a black hole with 400 million times the mass of our Sun, completely inactive yet holding the key to understanding the formation of galaxies, the evolution of stars, and the hidden architecture of the universe itself. And this is not just a scientific observation, it is a revelation so profound that it echoes the fears and myths of ancient civilizations who spoke of cosmic monsters, invisible forces, and celestial guardians of creation. And what Webb has found is the modern counterpart to those ancient mysteries, a silent giant that has been shaping reality from the shadows and may one day awaken to reshape everything we know about cosmic dynamics. So brace yourself, because what we are about to explore is not only the story of a black hole but a journey through time, myth, and the very fabric of existence. And now, the tale begins like an ancient scroll unfurling across the cosmic tapestry. Long before telescopes, before satellites, before humanity even had the concept of gravity, ancient civilizations observed the heavens with reverence, recording the movements of planets, stars, and comets in stone, clay, and celestial myths, speaking of invisible forces and dark entities that devoured light and matter, calling them cosmic serpents, celestial devourers, or silent gods that influenced the fate of worlds. And while these interpretations were poetic and mythological, modern science is now revealing that their intuition was not so far off, because black holes are exactly those silent, invisible titans, bending space-time, consuming mass, and shaping galaxies. And the James Webb Space Telescope has finally given us the power to see these giants directly, even when they are dormant. Webb's infrared capabilities allow us to peer through dust, gas, and cosmic debris, revealing regions that were previously obscured to every other telescope. And in the heart of a distant galaxy, it discovered a black hole with an estimated mass of 400 million suns, a behemoth so colossal that if it were active, its radiation would outshine billions of stars. But this one has been silent, a sleeping cosmic dragon whose gravity has silently orchestrated the motion of stars, the formation of clusters, and the architecture of its galactic neighborhood for eons. The ancient touch becomes even more compelling when we consider how civilizations throughout history have feared and revered invisible forces, calling them the hands of gods or cosmic balance keepers, sensing the presence of powerful entities that could not be seen but whose influence was undeniable. And now Webb has confirmed that these intuitions were rooted in truth. Dormant black holes are real, immense, and central to the story of the cosmos. Observing such a black hole provides crucial insight into the life cycle of galaxies, because these dormant giants are thought to represent a stage in which the black hole has consumed much of its surrounding material, settling into a silent phase that nevertheless continues to govern gravitational interactions on an enormous scale. Webb's findings reveal not only the mass and size of this black hole but also subtle details about its environment, including the distribution of stars, gas clouds, and dark matter, offering clues about how galaxies like our own Milky Way formed, evolved, and stabilized over billions of years. The telescope's extraordinary resolution allows scientists to detect gravitational lensing effects caused by the black hole's immense mass, bending light from background stars and galaxies in a way that reveals the hidden geometry of the galactic core, essentially allowing humanity to map the invisible skeleton of a galaxy's structure, and to see a sleeping giant that has been silently